The DSIoT project team gathered in Vila Real, Portugal, for the DSIoT Training Session I, a week full of hands-on learning, innovation, and collaboration in the world of IoT. Participants explored the fundamentals of IoT, diving into LoRa and LoRaWAN technology, and discovering how connected devices can transform real-world applications. Through interactive workshops, everyone got hands-on experience with rack-whiz block systems and LoRaWAN devices, learning how to build and manage IoT solutions from the ground up. One of the highlights of the week was the visit to Quinta de Crasto, where participants saw LoRaWAN in action in agriculture, connecting technology directly with the environment. Throughout the week, participants shared ideas, presented example projects, and strengthened their skills through practical, collaborative exercises.